Hi everyone and welcome to this exciting video. Are you a student looking to earn money online in 2025? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm going to share the best and latest ways students like you can start earning money from the comfort of your own home. Make sure to stay till the end because I've saved the best method for last. Let's jump straight in. 1. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to earn money online as a student is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your skills, whether it's writing, graphic designing, video editing, or even coding. Here's the best part: you don't need years of experience. Start small, build your portfolio, and grow from there. It's flexible and works perfectly around your study schedule too. Online tutoring. Are you good at a subject? Why not teach it online? Websites like Chegg, Preply, or Tutor.com allow you to teach students around the world. Whether it's math, science, or even English, there's always someone willing to pay for your knowledge. Plus, you'll earn while reinforcing your own understanding of the subject. 3. Content creation. In 2025, content creation is bigger than ever. If you enjoy making videos, starting a YouTube channel can be a fun and profitable venture. If you love writing, consider blogging or starting a newsletter on platforms like Substack. And if you're comfortable on camera, try TikTok or Instagram Reels. Monetization comes through ads, sponsorships, and selling your own products or services. 4. Selling digital products. Another fantastic way to earn online is by selling digital products. This could be books, online courses, printables, or templates. Websites like Gumroad, Etsy, and Canva make it easy to create and sell these products. The best part? Once you've made them, they can bring in passive income for months or even years. 5. Participating in surveys and market research. If you're looking for something simple to start with, online surveys and market research are great options. Companies pay students to give their opinions on products and services. Websites like Swagbucks, Telluna, and Survey Junkie are some of the best platforms for this. While it won't make you rich, it's an easy way to earn extra pocket money. 6. Dropshipping and e-commerce. If you've ever wanted to run your own online store, dropshipping might be the perfect choice. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce allow you to sell products without needing to manage inventory. Find a trending product, set up your store, and start marketing. It's a great way to learn business skills while earning money. 7. Social media management. Many small businesses need help managing their social media accounts. If you're good at creating posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing trends, you can offer your services as a social media manager. You can even start by managing accounts for friends or local businesses to build your portfolio. 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn online. By promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale through your referral link, you can make passive income. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareSale are some popular affiliate programs to get started with. Pair this with a blog or social media presence for maximum results. 9. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants help businesses with tasks like email management, scheduling, and research. If you're organized and good at multitasking, this can be a rewarding way to earn online. Platforms like Belay and Zirtual can connect you with clients who need your help. 10. App and website testing. Finally, if you enjoy exploring websites and apps, why not get paid to test them? Companies want to know how user-friendly their platforms are. Websites like User Testing and Trimui pay you for giving your honest feedback. It's fun, simple, and doesn't take much time. And there you have it, the top ways for students to earn money online in 2025. Whether you want to start freelancing, create content, or run your own online store, there's something for everyone. Don't forget, the key is to start small and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be interested. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks to help you succeed online. And remember, the best time to start is now. See you in the next video.